Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This video is part 2 of how to create a viral ASMR fruit eating. And in this part, we will transform this image into a viral ASMR fruit eating AI video using Pixverse. And if you don't know how to make it, just click the link in the description to watch the full tutorial. And after you have your image, next just save the image. Just download the image like this. And then now go to Pixverse. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you free daily credits, so you can generate videos without paying. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then just upload your image like this. And in the prompt sections, just describe your scene clearly. For example, I will describe like this. Like this. This will guide Pixverse to animate your image perfectly. And next, just tap on sounds icon and then just describe the ASMR sound effects that you want. For example, you can type like this. For example, like this, and then just save. And when you're done with the settings, just tap on create, this one. And then just go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, like that, your AI video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. That's how you can make a viral ASMR fruit eating AI video for free, step by step, from creating the image in Gemini with Nano Banana to animating it in Pixverse. And you are now ready to go viral. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!